Before we go ahead and start the video, I would just like to give a special shout out to Soul Studios as he made this banner for me and it looks amazing. He has a channel where he shows speed arts of all the graphic designs he made for other YouTubers and just in general his graphics design. So make sure you guys go ahead and check him out. I linked his channel down in the description below. But other than that, let's continue with the video. Hey guys, it's Shaan, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Bluetooth Beanie. But before we go and get started, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and like the video. But other than that, let's get started. So starting off the video, you are seeing the Tenergy Bluetooth Beanie. This is an amazing Bluetooth beanie, and it has Bluetooth 4.0 with EDR, what is enhanced data rate that can go as far as 33 feet away, what means it has a really good connection to your phone and you won't get any Bluetooth drops. And this is all good as you guys have all of these features, as you guys can see. Now opening up the box, you guys will get the actual hat, what is gray, and inside of the beanie you guys will get a welcome guide with the instructions to how to use the beanie and all that. But as I am doing this video, you guys won't need this, but just in case you guys have it. Now you guys also get the micro USB charging cable that does charge the hat itself, what is a great feature to actually have a rechargeable battery. And this is the hat itself. As you guys can see, very nice. It has all three buttons over there with an LED status light. The inside does feel quite nice, same with the outside. And as you guys can see, when you plug it into the charger, you guys will get around 6 hours battery life. Now charging it takes around 2.5 hours, and when it's red it means it's charging, and when it's blue that means it is fully charged. Over here you can see the play pause button, the volume buttons, and the skip buttons. What are the volume buttons? So you press and hold to actually use the volume buttons, otherwise they are skipping previous and next track. And it also has a very simple thing, as you guys can just press and hold on the power button and the pairing like on any other Bluetooth device, and then you just go on your phone and you connect to it, what is really easy. Not only this is, it actually has a built-in microphone, so meaning you guys can receive and make calls from the hat itself, what is an amazing feature that Tenergy has planned out for this, and it is amazing as you guys can not only listen to music but make phone calls. Now as you guys can see, I am wearing it over here and you guys could see the bumps, but after a little while you get used to it and it's all good as the buttons are easy to use and touch. And as you can see, the hat all around is a very nice hat. It looks just like a normal hat, and like I said, you could feel the actual headphones, but that is perfectly fine. You get used to it after a little while. Now the sound quality does sound better than what you would get from your phone itself, what is great, and it is definitely a step up, and it is not wired, so that is the great part. And also another thing is that as a beanie itself, if you guys weren't to be listening to music, it is also great. And is it washable? I would say yes and no, and the only reason is you guys might be able to find out how, but because in the manual it says it can be washed, but from what I can see, I cannot find out how to remove the electronics to wash it. It's not really a big problem right now, but just saying for anyone. Now would I recommend this device? Yes, I would recommend it to anybody that has a hat and likes to use earbuds, because that's what I used to do, and while they walk, it's just a great thing to have. And it's better to have wireless ones than wired, as you guys know that it will usually get tangled wired earbuds, and it's just easy to use. Like when I walk my dog, I use these are great, they sound good, they're wireless, and they're just really convenient to have, especially in the winter, as it keeps your head warm either way, as it is a beanie. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys did like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications to see exactly when I post a new video. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.